How I grow my faceless YouTube channel in 30 days. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting but challenging journey. With millions of creators out there, it can be difficult to stand out and gain a loyal audience. But fear not, because in this video, I'm going to share with you my proven strategies on how I grew my faceless YouTube channel in just 30 days. First and foremost, it's important to have a clear niche for your channel. Find something that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. This will help you attract a specific audience who are interested in your content. Next, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly and stick to a schedule. This will not only keep your audience engaged, but it will also signal to the YouTube algorithm that you're an active and reliable creator. Another important aspect is optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords that people are searching for to increase your chances of appearing in search results. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails that will entice viewers to click on your videos. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal fan base. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. This will make your viewers feel valued and more likely to subscribe and share your content. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can also help you reach a wider audience. By collaborating, you can tap into each other's subscriber base and gain exposure to new viewers who may be interested in your content. Lastly, promote your channel on other social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any other platforms where your target audience hangs out. This will help drive traffic to your YouTube channel and increase your chances of gaining subscribers. So there you have it, my top strategies for growing a faceless YouTube channel in just 30 days. Remember, it takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and dedication, you can achieve success on YouTube. Good luck.